Ready for super fun Independence Day quiz? Let's go! How many colors in our beautiful Tiranga? Correct. 3. Saffron, white, and green. What is in the center of the white stripe? Beautiful blue wheel, Ashoka Chakra, with 24 spokes. When do we celebrate Independence Day? Hint: it falls in the monsoon month. Correct. 15th August 1947. Where does the Prime Minister of India hoist the national flag on? It is a historic red sandstone fort in Delhi. What is our national anthem? Hint: it was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Correct. Jana Gana Mana. What are our national animal and national bird? The Bengal tiger and the Indian peacock.
Bapu. Who is he? Look at the shadow. Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation. Who gave the slogan Jai Hind? Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
You answered all correctly. True little patriots. Do like and subscribe. Happy Independence Day, everyone. Jai Hind.